Over the years, Suzhou Pharma Machinery has successfully delivered more than 500 cleanroom projects. These cleanrooms are widely used in the pharmaceutical industry, ensuring the absolute purity and safety of the production environment. In medical product manufacturing workshops, they provide a solid guarantee for the production of high-quality medical consumables. In the field of plant cultivation, cleanroom technology creates an ideal artificial environment. No matter where the project is located or in which field it is applied, we always strive to provide a one-stop cleanroom solution from planning and design, equipment supply, construction and installation, commissioning and verification, to after-sales support. For example, in Africa, we successfully combined internationalized cleanroom standards with local realities, earning the long-term trust and cooperation of numerous clients.